Alright, so here's the Honda HR216, manufactured sometime between the, well, Reagan and Clinton administration, I guess. I got it for free. We did the Amazon carburetor tune-up kit, so that's the aftermarket carburetor. I'm not sold on its performance. I might rebuild the original one. We also had to do a new throttle cable and a new clutch control cable for the self-propel feature. I also took the self-propel out, the gearbox, split it in half, put new gear oil in it. Just kind of freed everything up so it'll work okay. Rewound the recoil starter. Valve lash adjustment, which now I'm thinking they sound a little too loose. This, I think it's time for a new boot. That might be why it's running crummy. It barely hangs on to that spark plug. New oil, new blade, and a new center idler bearing for the blade clutch. So I'll follow up with a little performance video. Blade clutch, self-propel, slow fast. Brand new blade, brand new bearing on the blade clutch. The carburetor's still not tuned right. There's something wrong. It's hard to start still. But not bad for free. We'll take free.